Hey guys, it's Ruzzle. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of the Hot Wheels Zoom In GoPro car. Shout out to my buddies Travis and Bree Rowe. They got me this for Christmas because they know I'm a big fan of GoPro and I've been using them for a while. Long story short, I actually sold my GoPro Session a while back before this car even came out, so I had to hunt for another GoPro Session, which is why I'm just doing this unboxing now. So here is that. It's going to come in a blister pack like this. This is part of their Experimotors series, number 341 of 365, new for 2018. I don't know if these will stay on the market that long because, as many of you know, the GoPro Hero Session in all of its iterations, the 4, the Session, and the 5, have been discontinued. So get it while you can. So you're gonna open it. And it's gonna look like this. It's going to have a little bracket that comes up. Oh, and it's pretty flexible. This is to hold your GoPro down. Let me grab mine. So here's the GoPro Session, and you're just gonna put it in like this. And there you go. A GoPro Hero Session on a Hot Wheels car. I am in the process of looking for tracks so I can make some awesome Hot Wheels video with this. The way the bracket sits, it doesn't obscure the screen of the GoPro Session, and it doesn't hit the power button, which is a plus, and it stays on pretty well. I was kind of nervous before I opened it because, as you know, you don't want your camera to break or fall out while it's on the track. I have a feeling until I do this a couple times, I'm still going to feel nervous about putting my camera on the track, but hopefully I will get over that fear pretty soon. This comes in 2 models. This comes in a white one and an all black one. In my experience, the black one is more rare. So if you can find that, definitely pick that up. They go for about 94 cents at Walmart, a little over $1 other places, but they are random, so when you go, you'll have to check out what selection they have for Hot Wheels. As you can see, there's GoPro branding on the side, Hot Wheels branding, and a cool little graphic right there. And from what I can feel, it slides pretty good. It doesn't have any resistance, and for having a GoPro Session on a Hot Wheel, it's pretty light. It's still heavier than most Hot Wheels, but it's pretty light. So what I'm going to do is when I build a track, I'll test it with a regular Hot Wheel first, just to make sure the car doesn't fly off, and then I'll put the GoPro Session on. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if I can find one, I might do a giveaway for one of these. So stay tuned for that. It's obvious and needless to say, the GoPro Session is not included with the car. So you'll have to find one of those. Or if you have one already, then all the more power to you. Thank you so much. Bye.